Hi guys, welcome to my video lecture. Today I am going to teach you the part lecture of cloud computing, and now we have a topic today, cloud computing architecture. See, as we know, the cloud computing technology is used by both, that means small and large organizations, to store the information in a cloud and access it from anywhere at any time using the internet connection. Now, here the cloud computing architecture is a combination of service oriented architecture and event driven architecture. Cloud computing architecture is divided into two parts, front end part and back end part. In cloud computing, the front end is used by the client. You can tell that this is called the client side interface and application that are required to access the cloud computing platforms. See, here I will give you the example. The front end includes servers, thin and fat client, tablets and mobile devices. The backend is used by the service provider. It manages all the resources that are required to provide cloud computing services. Here it includes like as a huge amount of data storage, security mechanism, virtual machine, like as a deploying models, servers, traffic control mechanism. See, this all part is related to backend. This is very easy part. Here the front end and back end. First of all, we will learn about the front end is used by the client. You can tell that directly this is like as a user interface and application that are required to access the cloud computing platform. The front end includes web servers, thin, fat clients, tablets and mobile devices. Once we talk about backend, the backend is used by the service provider. It manages all the resources that are required to provide cloud computing services. It includes like as a huge amount of data storage, security mechanism, virtual machine and deployment model servers. You can tell that traffic control mechanism, etc. Here is cloud computing architecture component. See, the cloud computing architecture component, first of all, here we will learn the client infrastructure. See, the client infrastructure is a front end component. It provides GUI, that is called graphical user interface, to interact with cloud. The application means this is maybe any software or platform that a client wants to access. Services. What is service here? Service means a cloud service manages that you can tell that type of services you access according to client requirement. This is called services. Here is the runtime cloud. Runtime cloud provides the execution and runtime environment to the virtual machine. Storage is one of the most important component of cloud computing. It provides huge amount of storage capacity in the cloud to store and manage data. Infrastructure provides service on the host level. Infrastructure always provides the service on the host level, application level and network level. Cloud computing includes hardware and software components like server, storage, network device, virtualization software and other storage resources that are needed to support the cloud computing model. Management is used to manage components like application, services, runtime cloud storage. You can tell that cloud storage, infrastructure and other securities issue in the backend and establish that is called coordination between them. Security is an built backend component of cloud computing, implement a security mechanism in the backend. Here, internet is a medium through which front end and back end can interact and communicate with each other.